We end up having conversations with customers in all different sectors and all different roles. So quite commonly we will be talking to stakeholders responsible for finance with regards to they're the one paying the bill or seeing the bill go out for the consumption of the environment. So they've got a very keen eye and want that understanding of how we're tracking the performance of that, how we can be making tweaks, how we can make environments more resilient and more cost effective at the same time. So that's a big part of our managed services. We also work with customers who have people in the role of CISO, for example, people that are responsible for security, and they're particularly keen to understand how the MSP is going to come in, deliver the managed services, but within a well-audited and controlled environment. And we've got the right tools and capabilities in place to do that. We don't just gain access to the environments of the customer. We'll go through an exercise, a workshop, make sure the customer's absolutely clear on how we're going to access the environment, the tools that we'll be using, the auditing that goes around that, and also compliance. We're really strong on compliance. We will help organisations when it comes to meeting their requirements for compliance. They will often have policies, procedures, protocols that we need to adhere to as a supplier coming in. That's absolutely expected in our world. And again, part of the service design and the initial engagement is not just the requirements for delivering the service, but the requirements for governing that service and being held accountable as a supplier. It's not uncommon to work with all different stakeholders across the business. Some of the workshops that we do, especially with the cloud operating model assessment, I would urge that we have got the right people in the room, the people responsible for the financials, the security, etc., because then you're getting that full understanding of that customer's current ways of working and really drilling down to understand what potential gaps are and making sure the right audience have their say in those assessments. And also in the operating model moving forward, and when we're delivering our managed services, it's not uncommon for us to have relationships with all different parts of a business, because different people have different interests from a cloud operating model perspective.